Welcome to this guided Yoga Nidra Nature Series. Today's journey invites you into a guided forest sanctuary for profound rest and renewal. In this practice, you'll be gently led through the inner landscape of awareness while immersed in the soothing imagery of a living forest. Inspired by the quiet wisdom of the trees and the steady rhythms of the natural world. This guided Yoga Nidra experience is designed to help you release tension, settle the nervous system, and enter a state of deep, effortless rest. Often called yogic sleep, Yoga Nidra is a guided meditation practice that allows the body to rest deeply while the mind remains softly aware. As you recline comfortably, you'll be invited to imagine yourself surrounded by towering trees, dappled sunlight, and the subtle sounds of wind moving through the leaves. The forest becomes your refuge, a place of grounding, safety, and restoration. This forest Yoga Nidra is perfect for anyone seeking stress relief, better sleep, emotional balance, or simply a nurturing pause in the midst of a busy life. Allow yourself to be held by the earth, supported by the breath, and carried into deep rest by the gentle presence of nature. Now find a comfortable position to settle in and let the forest guide you home to stillness. Settling into your comfortable position, and allow your legs to fall open gently. Let your arms rest along your body with palms facing upward. Now taking a long, slow breath in through your nose. And a long, easy breath out through the mouth. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the earth beneath you. The ground receives you completely. Feel the earth's support, comforting and safe. Now we'll bring awareness to an intention, your sankalpa. Begin to sense a quiet forest around you. Tall trees rise gently upward. Their roots deep in the soil. Choose now an intention, such as, I am supported, or I am safe to rest, or perhaps another intention that you'd like to plant with the seed of awareness. Now repeat your intention silently 3 times to yourself. Feel your sankalpa deeply planted. And now bring awareness through the right side of your body. Feeling the whole right side of your body. The whole right side. Now moving your awareness now to the left side of your body. The left side of your body. The whole left side of your body. Now, feeling each limb, arms and legs, feeling each limb grow heavy and supported, like fallen branches. Feeling the earth support beneath the limbs of your body, your arms and legs, feeling heavy and supported. Now feeling the back of the body. Back of the body rests like moss-covered stone. Feeling now the front of the body, the front of the body, the front of your body softens. The whole body is held by the forest. Feel the forest's floor supporting your whole body, your whole body, your whole body, supported on the forest floor. Feeling the vastness of the forest now, even with eyes closed, the forest feels supporting and nurturing. Now observing your natural breath, like wind moving through the trees. Inhaling and feeling the breath move in through the nostrils. Exhaling, the body sinks deeper into rest. Inhaling and exhaling, the body clears. Like gentle wind pushing leaves across the forest floor. Feeling the breath clearing out any residual stress or tension, moving it out, letting it go. With each exhalation, the mind can rest deeper. The body can rest deeper. And now imagining lying on the forest floor as sunlight filters through the canopy. Perhaps seeing the rays of light through closed eyes, gently, ever so slightly. Feeling both warmth and coolness. Nothing here is expected of you. The forest holds you completely with support and care. Like the roots of the trees. and plant life, you feel completely secure, safe, grounded. Here you are free to rest, to let go. Now gently return your awareness to your body. Recall your intention, your sankalpa, and once again repeat it 3 times. Begin to bring some subtle movement to your body now, wiggling your fingers and toes perhaps, and moving slowly, return yourself to a seated position. And if you'd like, bringing your hands together at your heart center. Taking a deep breath in and exhaling. And returning to waking life, carrying the steadiness of the forest with you for the rest of your day. And thank you so much for practicing with me today. Wishing you a wonderful day or evening, and I'll see you again soon.